Hi. So I'm going to do a little tip of the day, tip of the day, while my phone is charging, before we release the first video I did about contacting the legal services of Wisconsin because they called me a prostitute. And just wait, it's it's good. All right. So, a little tip from the ACLU. Know what to do in case you are stopped by police in public. These are your rights. You have the right to remain silent. We know this, right? A lot of us don't use it. Why? Because they intimidate us, raise their voice, escalate to make us fearful that we have to answer questions we don't have to answer. You do not have to answer any questions about where you are going, where you were. You get stopped by police and they say, hey, where are you? Don't make them make you feel afraid that you say we were at a party and then you get everybody busted. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to answer where you were, where you are going. You don't have to ID. We are not a stop and ID state. They need to have reasonable suspicion of crime, of an actual crime that you are either going to commit, have committed, or I'm about to commit a crime. When you wish to remain silent, just say so. I don't answer questions. I invoke my Fifth Amendment rights, and from then on, they cannot continue to question you legally. You do not have to consent to have yourself or anybody else searched or pat down. Refusing consent may not stop the officer from carrying out the search against your will, but making a timely objection before or during search can help preserve your rights in a later legal proceeding. So make sure that you keep a note of that. You don't have to answer where you were born, where you're from, any of that. So make sure you keep that in mind.